is a gene? Genes are instruction manuals for our bodies. They are the directions for building all the proteins that make our bodies function. Genes are made of DNA. One strand of our DNA contains many genes. All of these genes are needed to give instructions for how to make and operate all parts of our bodies. For example, blood contains red blood cells that transport oxygen around our bodies. The cells use a protein called hemoglobin to capture and carry the oxygen. Of our 25,000 genes, only a few contain the instructions for making hemoglobin proteins. The remaining genes contain the instructions for making other parts of our bodies. Here is a hemoglobin molecule. If our hemoglobin gene is normal, the hemoglobin protein works fine. But if the instructions in that gene are changed or mutated, changes in the hemoglobin protein could result. One such mutation causes a disorder called sickle cell anemia. Genes contain instructions for building proteins, which are involved in all sorts of things. Hemoglobin protein is just one example. Other proteins, such as the enzymes that produce pigment in your eyes, and keratin, responsible for growing hair and nails, are also produced by genes. What is a gene? Genes are instruction manuals for our bodies.